We are so excited to introduce the all-new 2023 Acura Integra. This luxury ride comes packed with impressive performance and style. We are giving the Acura Integra a boost in both looks and performance by installing 3M IR ceramic window tint. The completed project looks elegant and classy, with its perfect color palette and beautiful finishing touches. The attention to detail and precision taken to finish the project has paid off, now giving it a timeless quality sure to impress. You can absolutely see clearly through the dark glass. High heat rejected up to 96% in the front. Up to 97% heat blocking on the back windows. If you're looking for the best look and performance tint, visit us at Audio MotorSports.